For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Kerala Pradesh Congress Committee President Mullapalli Ramachandran has once again stoked controversy with a statement. This time during a speech in front of the Secretariat in Thiruvananthapuram. He passed anti-women comments against the complainant while criticizing the Left Democratic Front government for bringing up the solar case against the opposition United Democratic Front. While rejecting the complainant's claims, Mullapalli said that a woman with self-respect will die if she is raped or else try not to be sexually assaulted again. Every day, this woman would wake up saying she has been raped by someone. The LDF has brought a sex worker as a desperate attempt and made her tell tales. Chief Minister, this game will not work. This blackmailing will not work. One can understand when a woman is raped once, but she says she is repeatedly assaulted. A woman with self-respect will either die after she is raped once or will try not to be sexually assaulted again. The Congress leader was speaking at an agitation launched by the Congress-led United Democratic Front in Thiruvananthapuram against the Left Democratic Front government. While making this comment, Ramachandran accused the Chief Minister of Kerala of resorting to blackmail politics by referring to women like Sarita Nair. Sarita Nair was a key accused in the Kerala solar scam of 2013. However, Kerala Health Minister K.K. Shailaja strongly condemned Ramachandran's remark about Nair and said his opinions reflect his state of mind. In fact, K.K. Shailaja was mocked by the Congress leader in June while he ridiculed her work and said she was fighting for the label of COVID Rani. Considering his political stature, the health minister said Ramachandran's sexist remarks were dangerous and inappropriate.
He says if women who are raped have self-respect, they will kill themselves. Is rape a woman's fault? Are women not committing suicide because they lack self-respect? A woman subject to rape is not a criminal. The people committing the rape are the criminals. They must be punished. Women experience great physical and mental trauma. To say that they must kill themselves speaks of a person with a dangerous mind. This is completely wrong.
Ramachandran, a former union minister and 7-time MP, later expressed regret for his comments. If these remarks were characterized as being aimed at anyone in particular, I express my regret. If these remarks were misrepresented as anti-women in certain quarters, it is not right. I said it only to prove the depths to which this government has fallen. Some sections are trying to portray this as anti-women. It is not like that. Even after I said that I regret this, if a controversy is created, it is with political intention. The Congress leader also claimed that some sections of the society were trying to portray this as anti-women.